Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.